You finish dinner, scrape your plate, rinse it off, and load it into the dishwasher. You press start and forget about it. But the next morning, something strange happens. The dishes, still dirty. That cup, cloudy. That bowl, bits of rice stuck. Again. You sigh. Maybe it's the detergent. Maybe the machine's old. But here's the truth no one tells you. It's probably not the machine. It's how you're loading it. Yes, your dishwasher might be working perfectly, but if you're placing your dishes the wrong way, you're sabotaging your own clean. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to load your dishwasher the right way, so you get spotless dishes every time. No rewashing, no wasted water, no confusion. Before we begin, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because even small tweaks like this can change your daily life in a big way. Why loading properly matters. We've been taught that dishwashers are supposed to make our lives easier, but most of us never learned how to actually use them correctly. We load dishes however they fit, hit the button, and hope for the best. But dishwashers work on one simple principle: spray and drain. If your dishes block each other or face the wrong way, the spray won't reach, and the grime stays stuck. And over time, it ruins your dishes and your dishwasher. So let's fix that. Let's talk about positioning, placement, spacing. The things your manual never explained clearly. Step 1. Top rack. What goes where? The top rack is designed for lighter and smaller items. Think cups, glasses, small bowls, plastic containers, top rack safe, and long utensils like spatulas. Always angle glasses downward and to the side. That way, water sprays up into them and drains properly. Never overcrowd. If glasses are touching, they might clink and break during the cycle, or stay dirty between the cracks. Lay longer utensils flat in the grooves or designated holders, not thrown across. And avoid putting anything tall enough to block the spray arm from spinning. Step 2. Bottom rack. The heavy hitters. The bottom rack is built for the big stuff: dinner plates, pots, pans, and large bowls. Always load plates vertically with the dirty side facing the center. That's where the spray hits strongest. Bowls should go at an angle, not face up, not flat. You want water to reach inside and drain out easily. And while it's tempting to stuff in every pot and pan, resist. If items overlap, the water can't get in, and you'll just be rewashing tomorrow. One golden rule: never block the detergent dispenser. If a big pan is placed right in front of it, the detergent won't even release properly. They dull quickly. Cast iron or carbon steel pans, rust risks, and seasoning damage. Insulated mugs, they can lose their insulation. Delicate crystal or hand-painted dishes, always hand wash. And one last thing, always check if plastic items are top rack safe. Dishwasher heat can melt or warp plastic placed too close to the bottom. Bonus tip: run it smartly. Once everything's loaded properly, make sure the spray arms can spin freely. The detergent dispenser isn't blocked. The filter is clean. Once a month is ideal. You run hot water at the sink for a few seconds before starting. This ensures the dishwasher starts with hot water, improving performance. And if you have an eco mode or heated dry option, use it strategically based on your load. Why this small habit reduces big stress? Think about it. How many minutes, how many gallons of water, how much energy do we waste rerunning dishwasher cycles because we loaded them poorly? This isn't just about clean plates. It's about mental peace. Waking up to a dishwasher full of sparkling, ready-to-use dishes is a feeling of calm. A small win that makes your kitchen and your day feel in order. Recap: the clean plate formula. Let's recap the formula to loading like a pro. Top rack: cups, glasses, small bowls, angled, spaced. Bottom rack: plates facing center, bowls angled, pots with room. Cutlery: mixed, spaced, alternate directions. Avoid: wood, cast iron, fine china, unsafe plastic. Always check spray arms, run hot water, clean the filter. That's it. Simple shifts, huge payoff. If this helped you rethink how you use your dishwasher, like the video, subscribe to The Big Sweep for more smart home hacks, and comment below. What's the biggest mistake you've made while using a dishwasher? And what did you learn from it? Click the link below to get your 100% free Top 10 Cleaning Products list and Emergency Speed Cleaning Checklist. Bonus! You'll also get access to our free community made for women. Let's turn a chore into a win, one clean dish at a time.